How do you add a section to the homepage on Wix? Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how do you add a section to the homepage on Wix. So first what you have to do is come to your Wix dashboard or the homepage. Once you land on your dashboard, here you can see on the top right corner there's this button of edit site which you have to click. Once you click this, you're going to land over here on your Wix website editor. I have opened it in advance so you don't have to wait for it, or else you just have to wait and you have to let it open and then you can just be on your Wix website editor. So once you land over here, you can see there's this menu bar of add elements and add section and pages and menu and all that. Here you can see there's this option of add section right beneath add elements. You have to click this add section option, and once you click this, you get these templates or the sections that you can add to your Wix website. These are some welcome ones, these are about ones, these are gallery, and you have many more options that you can choose from. I'm going to go with this welcome one. If I choose any of these that I like, I'm going to just click the option. Once I click it, it's just going to add it to my Wix website, and then if I want to add more sections, I can just hover on this bar or this section, and you can see that it gives me this option of add section, and if I click it, it's just going to pop this up again, and here I can add more sections that I want. And then you just have to push this publish button or click this button, and it's going to add the section to your site. So that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.